Baie dankie dat julle die tyd geneem het om die aanlyn inligtingsessie te kyk. I look forward to meeting you face to face in the near future. I will be ending off by discussing what is important for grade 8s to remember on their first day and the COVID protocol at school. Wat om te onthou die eerste dag? Jou uitstapdrag. 'n Wit skoolhemp, skoolbroek en baadjie, geen das en 'n masker. Verkieslike weggooibare, swart, maroon of navy masker. Maak seker die skoene is skoon, haar is kort en netjies en geskeer. Remember an A4 poster with a string with your name on it, your surname and your nickname written on the poster. No school books during the first week. Onthou asseblief 'n notaboek en pen. Please remember to pack a lunch and enough water. The Rosenbosch cafeteria will be open. Now for the COVID protocols for grade 8s. Student entrance. Before entering, please make sure that you sanitize your hands and wear a face mask. Waarom in te gaan? Gebruik die hek oorkant die Japie kriege. Now how to enter. Move around the circle and line up on the demarcated areas outside the Japie kriege. While at school, always wear your face mask properly, covering your nose and your mouth. Hou jou fisiese afstand van ander. Bring your own sanitizer and wipes to disinfect surfaces. You will also receive a small bottle of sanitizer on the first day. Was jou hande gereeld, and very important, please stay at home when you are sick. Thank you for watching, take care, and see you soon.
Me roses by the stairs. Surprises let me know she cares.